Hey kids, this is Philip Nodlinger, KA4KOE, and we're going to show you what we've done so far. I'm taking a break, and here's some pasta salad. This is the National NC-183D. If you recall, when I posted some earlier photographs, it looked like it had just had a bunch of dirt thrown on it. This is about as dirty as the R388 that I passed on to Jeff, K1 NSS, my good friend. Now you can see that we've got most of the dust and dirt off of this. It's just plain old grunt work. The only thing I really haven't been able to get under is this area beneath the capacitors. And you notice a little amber sheen on this. I believe this radio has been smoked on at some point in the past. See the flickering? That's the cheap power supply in this lamp I'm using. It's got a lot of nice annoying flicker in it. But it's cleaned up really well. You can also see that whoever had this non-standard coax connector back there. This is the earlier version with a 6J5 a meter driver instead of a 6, I think it's a 6SN7. Oh, I don't remember these things. So, oh yeah, nice flicker here. This transformer was virtually yellow. So yeah, this radio, of course it's this old, you don't smell it anymore. Like I said, the meter appears to be in good shape. Again, I don't know whether to leave this area underneath the capacitor bank alone. I'm really hesitant to try to remove this because there's gears involved in there. Really nice dial chain and gear chain in there. I wouldn't say this is equivalent to an R390 in terms of the transmission in it. But we have gears, and the dials have been cleaned. Ooh,